Hey, it's Greg Luther here again, our second live cast of the day today, and I'm actually just getting ready to leave here in Florida, heading back to Ohio, taking in some of this sunshine. And it actually made me think, a lot of realtors think that there's a limited amount of sunshine available. And, you shouldn't be sharing your information. We're all in a competition together, that type of thing. And that's certainly not the case. I saw a comment this morning on our YouTube channel that said, why are you giving away so much free information? If that's the best ad you have, why are you sharing it with all of the realtors? We did a live event here in Orlando, Florida yesterday, where I gave away our top 5 ads that are working extremely well. And people say, well, why are you giving away all that information? If that's the trade secrets or that's what's working so well to get so many closings, why would you give that away? Well, let me ask you, what makes you think there's limited sunshine in this world? No matter how much I take, there's plenty for you. And no matter how much you take, there's plenty for the next agent as well. So I'm a firm believer in helping as many people as you can help, giving away as much information as you can. Fortunately, I've done extremely well in life. If you've been on our YouTube channel, you've seen a multi-million-dollar home and doing extremely well. Like, I don't need to sell things to people or give a high-pressure sales pitch. I know what works in real estate. I've helped an awful lot of agents to make money. And hey, let me give you that stuff. For those that follow us, whether you're on our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our YouTube page, that's all totally free stuff. But the key is, are you going to utilize it so you get some sunshine in your life as well? The agents that were in the room yesterday, some of those agents are using those very ads to close over 5 deals a month from that one little approach. So it's extremely helpful for other agents to learn from that. And I think if you start to get into that sharing mentality, rather than thinking there's limited sunshine and, operating from a theory of scarcity, you're going to be in bad shape. If you watch my Facebook Live this morning, I look a little better now than I did. I had a couple energy drinks. Yesterday actually kicked my ass. I was exhausted after that live event. So feeling a little better now before I make this trip. But if you watch that this morning, we talked about the fact that, look, you have a certain amount of debt that you need to get paid off. You have to get to 0 before you can ever get to a true net worth. And the fact is, if you don't get that information, if you don't start implementing, if you don't find the best ads that will attract buyers and sellers, you're probably never going to get there. So for me personally, it doesn't really matter to me that I'm doing well. I mean, I've had some bad times. If you've heard my story, I've went through some very tough times in real estate. That's awesome. We're doing extremely well now. But I want everybody to do well, and that's why I try and share as much information as I can. If there's something I can do to show you an ad that will get you a few more closings every month, I don't care if you live in Denver, Colorado, how's that going to hurt me? So there's plenty of agents that could use the assistance, and I try and help out anywhere I can. So a lot of times I see those comments on Facebook or on YouTube or anything like that. Why are you sharing all this information? Or, that's working real well for me. Why would you share it with my competition? That's not your competition. You could close 100 homes this year, and they close 100 homes this year in your marketplace. You guys haven't even touched the market. We could have 5 more guys close 100 deals each. You haven't even touched a portion of your local market. So there's no finite amount of sunshine available. There's plenty for everybody. I'm all about sharing and helping out any way I can. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I do have a lot of extended trainings that we're putting together right now that I'll be loading on there. Let me tell you one bad thing about YouTube. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will not know of new videos being loaded unless you ring the bell. So after you subscribe, you'll see a little bell there. When you ring that, that's the notification service that'll let you know we've loaded some of these ads, some of these examples, some of these scripts that are working really well, so you can go out and start closing more deals. So I'm going to go chase an airplane here and get back to the cold. I understand my kids' school was canceled today for snow again. That's the 6th time in 2019, which means their summer break is going to be shortened. They have to make up some days. They're not going to be happy about that stuff. So Anyway, I want you to think about that today. You know, there's no competition. There's no limited amount of sunshine. You should not only be learning from others in real estate, you should be sharing with others. If you have something that's working really well, share it with people that are important to you. Improve their life as well. I think you'll feel a lot better about yourself, and ultimately that's going to cause you to be more successful too. So hopefully that message hits a chord with you. If you like this, go ahead and like the page here now. And make sure that you are following us. Share this with a friend. I think you'll find real estate agents need all the help we can get. So let's work together in making that happen. Until then, I'll probably speak with you tomorrow because I'm going to be traveling today. Go out there and hustle. Make some money. Check out our YouTube channel. There's lots of great videos on there. And I think you'll find it helpful for you. We got a lot more to come as well. Go out there and make some money and make an impact in your own life. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.